Alright guys, it's Noah here with Custom RC Mods, and as you can see, today we are out here with the Maiden for the FT Bloody Baron. I'm really excited to get this thing back up in the sky. It's really fast, really fun, and hopefully it's going to deliver on this day today. Now the ground is all soaked through, so hopefully I can find a dry spot to land so I don't mess up my beautiful underside here. But we'll see what happens, I guess. If not much else to do, then give some control tests. We got our ailerons look about right, elevators working fine. Obviously got our throttle, CG, just a touch nose down, just where we want it. Not much else to do other than just throw it up in the air and get it going. Yeah, this thing is flying. I mean, remember this is 3S 1300, and all I can say from a pilot's perspective, this Sunny Sky motor is super smooth. Needs a little bit of trim for sure, but trying to learn the airplane before we get too crazy on the my last Bloody Baron was a lot slower than this on 3S. We are running a bigger prop than I normally do, as well as a larger motor, so I guess that could explain it. But this Sunny Sky equipment is working really well. Had a little brown out there. I don't know what's up with that little brownout blip there, but track's pretty darn straight. Very touchy on the pitch axis for sure. Other than that, I mean, it's a fine flying airplane. Full speed pass. Lots of speed. Definitely need to tighten down my aileron linkages and put some glue in their control horns, because there's a little bit of waggle in the ailerons. I can feel it, if that's such a term. You can kind of hear it just clipping back and forth. And my roll rate's not crazy on this thing currently, just trying to learn the airplane on the Maiden. Then we'll go ahead and increase the roll rate later, but it's flying really good. And all I can say about the Sunny Sky system is that it's super smooth in the air. It feels really nice. There's obviously no vibrations, which is a good sign. There's some little bit of waggle. It might be in the elevator actually, just going up and down, so that's not good. We need to fix that, because that obviously could compromise my elevator, which is one of the worst control surfaces to compromise if you're gonna lose one of them. But we do have a fair amount of wind today, so traveling upwind is a little bit, obviously a little bit slower, but we can get a full speed pass. I can't wait to try this thing out on 4S. This is currently a 10x7 prop. I think that we could probably go all the way up to a 11x7 with a 4S. Are you kidding? Oh, whoa. A little brown out there. I don't know what's up with that. This is the first lemon receiver that I've had issues with, so I'm gonna go ahead and land this thing before we have any major brownouts on this plane. That's just kind of disheartening. We're having an issue with this one. That'll do. Looks like my motor came off too. Not a big deal. do have this really old firewall on here, so it's not too crazy of a deal in that sense. I just need to get some more screws and glue them in that are a little bit bigger. So yeah, looks like that's pretty much it for the flight today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you have any questions about the Bloody Baron or the equipment I'm running on it, please go ahead and let me know down in the comments below. And we're gonna go ahead and address this Lemon RX receiver issue, because that's not good, especially on a fast plane like this. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.